Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 36,167 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a decibel-compliant exhaust. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 4/30 seconds, and installed new rear tires. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. Our technician has noted that some of the accent lights are not working. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's paint chipping on the rear fender, a scrape on the rear fender, and a blemish on the top of the saddlebags. This trike has 2 keys and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with a Kiltronic electric shifter, aftermarket exhaust, an aftermarket Stage 1 intake, front and rear fender mud flaps, a luggage rack, rear fender luggage rails, a primary cover, horn cover, fuel door cover, upper fairing and tour pack speaker trim, a tall windshield and windshield trim, mirrors, headlight and passing lamp trim rings, aftermarket front turn signals, and a tank console badge. This trike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.